Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Commute English Learning Pro.
Yes, welcome. Um, have you ever looked down at your feet at work and, well, you realize you're wearing two different shoes?
Oh, wow. Two different shoes, like maybe one brown shoe on your left foot and one black shoe on your right foot.
Yes, exactly like that.
That is so funny. But that actually happened to a man in our notes today.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He was so late for a morning meeting. He dressed too fast. He ran out the door.
Right.
And then he sat down at the coffee shop, and his friend just looked at his feet and laughed.
Oh, no. Well, it is a very funny story, but it shows us something important.
What is that?
Your daily routine matters. The way you start your day changes everything.
Yes, I agree. So today, we are going to talk about daily routines.
It sounds good.
We will imagine a beautiful sunny day in Los Angeles, California. We will walk through a full day from morning to night.
And while we walk through this day, we have a very big goal for you.
Yes, a big goal.
Mm.
We're going to share 4 tips today.
Right. These 4 tips will help you stop translating in your head. They will help you start thinking in English.
That is so important. So, let us start at the very beginning of the day. I have a question for you, the listener. Take a moment and think. What time do you wake up?
Yeah. Do you wake up at 6? Do you wake up at 8?
Well, let us step into our Los Angeles morning. Imagine waking up at 6:30 in the morning.
That is early.
Yes. You open your eyes. You walk to the window. You see tall green palm trees.
Oh, that sounds beautiful.
The sun is warm. It is very quiet.
So our first important phrase today is wake up. Listen to the sound. The words connect together. Wake up.
Wake up.
Yes.
Yes.
This means you stop sleeping and open your eyes.
Right. And, sometimes you need an alarm clock to wake up.
That is true.
But I read a great story in our notes today.
Oh, tell me.
A person wanted to wake up early every day, but they always slept too late.
Yeah.
So they got a cat.
A cat.
Yes, a hungry cat.
Yeah.
Now, the cat is the alarm clock. The cat jumps on the bed and wakes them up at 6 in the morning every single day. The cat never forgets.
That is a very good alarm clock. So, let us practice this phrase. Listen and say it with us. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
Good job. Try it one more time. I wake up early.
Perfect. Now, when you wake up, your brain is very fresh.
Yes, it is.
This is the perfect time for our first English learning tip. Tip number 1. Stop translating in your head.
Wait, I have to ask a question about this.
Sure, go ahead.
If I do not translate in my head, how do I know what the English words mean? I mean, it feels impossible to just stop translating.
I know, it feels a little scary. But think about it like this.
Okay.
When you translate, your brain is doing a heavy math puzzle. You think of a feeling first.
Right.
Then you think of the word in your first language.
Yeah.
And then you search a dictionary in your mind for the English word.
Oh, wow. That sounds like a lot of work.
Exactly. It is too much work. Your brain gets tired. You speak slowly.
We do not want that.
No. We want you to feel fast and happy when you speak English. So, what is the secret?
Tell us.
The secret is to learn the whole idea, not single words. You connect the English words directly to the feeling.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Yeah.
For example, when you wake up and you feel very tired, do not think about the word want and the word sleep separately.
Oh, okay.
Just learn the full, simple sentence. I want to sleep.
Oh, that makes sense. Connect that full sentence to the tired feeling.
Exactly. Let us practice that. Feel tired and say it with us.
I want to sleep.
I want to sleep.
Practice one more time. I want to sleep.
Very nice. Okay, let us continue our morning routine.
That's good.
After you wake up, you need to put on clothes. The phrase is get dressed.
Get dressed.
Listen to the sound. Get dressed. Take your time when you get dressed. Remember the man with the brown shoe and the black shoe?
Oh, yeah. He got dressed too fast.
Right. Say it with, I get dressed in the morning.
I get dressed in the morning.
Good. Now, after you get dressed, you are probably hungry. Always. You walk into the kitchen, you need to have breakfast.
Have breakfast. What do you eat?
Well, in Los Angeles, maybe you go out. You eat giant pancakes. Big fluffy pancakes.
Wow. Or maybe you stay home. You make some eggs.
Yes, scrambled eggs and some toast. And you make a hot cup of coffee.
The kitchen is a really great place for our second English learning tip.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Tip number 2, talk to yourself in English.
Talk to yourself. Why do we do this?
Well, when you talk to yourself, your mouth practices making new shapes. English sounds are different. Your mouth muscles need practice.
That is very true.
Also, it builds your confidence. No one is listening. You cannot make a mistake.
I love that. So how do we do it?
You just look around and say what you were doing out loud.
Okay, let us try a short scene together.
Yes, a role play. Let us step into the kitchen.
I will make breakfast.
Okay, and I am your roommate. I walk into the kitchen, listen to our conversation. Good morning. What are you doing?
I am making coffee. The water is hot. I need a clean cup. This coffee smells good.
Did you hear that? Notice how simple that was.
Yes, just short sentences.
Now you try, listeners. Imagine you are in your kitchen. Say the words with us. I am making coffee.
I am making coffee.
Good job. Talk to yourself every morning.
Okay, so our morning at home is over. We must leave the house and go to work.
But, wait, before we leave, there is a big danger.
Danger. What is it?
Your mobile phone.
Oh, right.
The phone is a trap in the morning. Our notes call it a black hole.
A black hole? Why do they call it that?
Well, think about it. You pick up your phone. You look at one short video. The video is funny.
Yeah.
It gives your brain a tiny piece of candy.
Ah, your brain loves candy.
Exactly. Your brain wants more candy.
Yeah.
So you watch another video, then another.
Oh, no.
Suddenly, 1 whole hour is gone. You're trapped in the black hole. You cannot get out.
Yeah.
And then you're late for work.
That makes a lot of sense. So leave the phone on the table, put on your shoes. It is time to commute.
Commute. This means to travel from your house to your work.
Yes. And the commute in Los Angeles is very famous.
But it is famous because it is terrible.
Oh, yes. The traffic on the road is very, very bad.
It is crazy. Our notes tell a story about a normal commute. One person had to drive 12 miles to their office.
12 miles is a very short distance.
Yes, but in Los Angeles traffic, it took 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Wow. That is a very long time to sit in a car.
It is. That is why people in Los Angeles listen to many podcasts.
Right. They have a lot of time to learn new things while they drive.
Just like you're doing right now.
Exactly. So while we sit in this traffic, we need to talk about grammar for a minute.
Okay, let's do it.
When we talk about our daily routines, we use the simple present tense.
Yes. But why do we use the simple present?
Because your brain loves patterns. The simple present is the language of patterns.
Right. It is the language of things that happen again and again every single day.
Yes. It is for facts that do not change.
The rule is very simple.
Mm-hmm.
For the words I and you, we do not change the verb.
I wake up, you eat breakfast.
But for the words he, she, and it, we must add an S sound at the end.
Listen closely. He wakes up, she eats breakfast.
Let us practice this pattern together. I will say a sentence. You repeat it with us. Ready?
She wakes up at 6.
She wakes up at 6.
Very nice. Try again. He makes coffee.
He makes coffee.
Yeah. But what if the pattern is negative? What if something never happens?
Good question. We use do not or does not.
Right. Like, I do not eat meat.
Or she does not drink coffee.
Can you say it? She does not drink coffee.
She does not drink coffee.
Great job. Remember, the simple present is your pattern language.
Now, during your commute, what else do people do?
Sometimes you do not go straight to work. Sometimes you have to run errands.
Run errands. This means you do small jobs outside of your house.
Yeah. You go to the supermarket to buy milk. You go to the pharmacy. You go to the bank.
In Los Angeles, running errands means you are driving a lot.
Yes, because Los Angeles is not a walking city like New York. You need your car to go to the store.
While you are driving and running errands, you can use our third English learning tip.
Tip number 3. Think in English all day.
How does this help?
It keeps your brain in English mode. Look at the world around you. Describe what you see in your mind using very simple sentences.
Oh, I like that. For example, you sit in your car. You look out the window. You think, it is a beautiful morning.
That car is fast. That tree is big. He looks tired.
It is very easy. But it trains your brain to see the world in English, not in your first language.
Okay, so the traffic is finally over. You park your car. You arrive at work.
You work very hard for a few hours, but you cannot work all day without stopping.
No, you need to take a break.
Take a break. This means you stop working for a short time. You rest.
Taking a short break, even for just 10 minutes, is very important.
Why?
Because your brain needs to rest. If you walk away from your computer, you come back with fresh energy, you can focus better.
Let us practice a conversation at work.
Okay, a role play. Imagine I walk into the break room at the office.
And I'm pouring some coffee.
Right. I walk up to you and ask a question. Let us listen. Hi there. How was your commute today?
Oh, it was terrible. The traffic in Los Angeles is so bad, it took me more than an hour to get here.
Wow. That is a long time in the car.
Yes. I am very tired. I really need to take a break and get some coffee.
Did you hear the short sentences? Now it is your turn. Say it with us. I need to take a break.
I need to take a break.
Good. So the workday continues. You finish your work. The sun goes down.
You get back in your car and drive home.
You open your front door. You are tired.
But your English practice does not have to stop here. What are the first thing we do at home?
We cook dinner.
Cook dinner.
Yeah.
This means you make your food for the evening.
Some people love to cook. Our notes say cooking can be very relaxing.
Oh, yeah. You stand in the kitchen, you cut fresh green vegetables, you smell the hot spices.
You can make warm pasta with tomato sauce or a nice vegetable stir-fry.
Cooking helps many people unwind. Unwind. This is a very beautiful word.
Unwind. What does it really mean?
Think of a tight string. During the day, you are tight with stress.
Right.
When you unwind, the string gets loose. You let go of your stress. You relax.
I see. How do people unwind in Los Angeles?
Well, many people go to the beach. They take off their shoes. They walk on the warm sand.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
They look at the ocean water. They watch the sunset. The sky turns pink, orange, and purple. It is very beautiful.
That sounds wonderful. But, everyone unwinds differently.
Yes. Maybe you watch television. Maybe you read a good book. But you must find time to unwind.
While we are unwinding in the kitchen, let us talk about our fourth English learning tip.
Okay, tip number 4. Learn phrases, not single words.
This connects to our first tip about translating. Many students try to memorize long lists of single words.
Yes, I see that a lot. They look at a paper, they learn the word apple.
But knowing the word apple is not enough, right?
Right. Single words are like loose bricks. You cannot build a house with loose bricks. You need to connect them.
Your brain remembers stories and connections better than simple words.
So do not just learn apple. Learn a real phrase. Say, I eat an apple every morning.
Or learn a useful question. Do you like apples?
Say it with us. Do you like apples?
Do you like apples?
When you learn phrases, you speak faster. You do not have to stop and think about grammar rules. You just remember the whole phrase as one big piece.
Let us try another real-life scene. We are in the kitchen. You are cooking dinner.
Okay.
I come into the kitchen. Listen to us. Hello. What are you making for dinner?
I am making pasta with tomato sauce.
Oh, that sounds good. I'm very hungry.
It is almost ready. After we eat, do you want to unwind and watch TV?
Yes, please. I want to unwind and watch a good show.
See? Very natural. Now you try, listeners. Imagine you are talking to a friend. Ask the question, do you want to unwind?
Do you want to unwind?
Very nice.
Okay, so dinner is finished, the TV show is over, the evening is ending.
It is time for the final part of our daily routine. We must go to bed.
Go to bed, listen to the sound, go to bed.
This means you get into your bed to sleep.
What time do you go to bed? Our notes tell us something very important.
What is that?
Going to bed early changes your brain. Do not stay up past midnight.
And remember the black hole. Do not look at your phone in bed.
Yes, the blue light from the phone keeps your brain awake. Put the phone in another room.
Going to bed early, maybe at 10:30 at night, gives you more energy. But sleep is also magic for learning English.
Yes, it is. When you sleep for 8 hours, your brain is actually working.
Really?
Yes, it is building small roads in your mind.
Building roads.
Yes, your brain builds roads to connect all the new English words you learned today.
Oh, wow.
If you do not sleep, the roads wash away. But if you sleep 8 hours, the roads become strong. You will remember your English much better tomorrow.
8 hours is the goal. Your brain needs time to build those roads. Say it with us. I go to bed early.
I go to bed early.
We did it. We finished our whole day in Los Angeles.
Yes. From waking up with a cat alarm clock to sitting in bad traffic.
And watching a beautiful sunset to going to bed early.
We learned a lot of good English today. But there is one final phrase we need to understand.
The phrase is, stick to a routine.
Stick to a routine. This means you do your routine every single day.
You do not stop. You do not change your mind. You do it every day.
But building a routine is very hard. Sometimes you feel happy. You say, I will wake up at 6 and learn English.
Yeah. You do it on Monday. You do it on Tuesday.
But on Wednesday, you are tired. You want to give up.
Do not give up after 3 days.
Yeah.
It takes a long time for a routine to feel normal. Your brain needs time to learn the new pattern.
So how do we stick to it? You start very small.
Right. Do not change your whole life in one day. Just pick one thing.
Say, I will make coffee and talk to myself in English for 2 minutes every morning.
Yes, do just that one small thing. Stick to it.
When that feels easy, you add another step. Soon, the routine is automatic. You do not even think about it.
Learning English is the exact same way. You must stick to your English routine, practice a little bit every single day.
Talk to yourself in the kitchen. Think in English during your drive to work.
Learn full phrases, not just single words.
And sleep 8 hours to let your brain build the roads. Small steps, done every day, create big results.
So we want to leave you with a challenge, an action for you to take right now.
Yes. We challenge you to think in English for just 1 minute today.
Look around right now, wherever you are listening to us.
Are you walking on the street? Are you sitting on a bus? Are you drinking coffee in your kitchen?
Look at one thing near you.
Make one simple English sentence in your head about what you see.
If you see a tree, think, the tree is very green.
If you see a dog, think, the dog is walking fast.
If you see a car, think, the car is red.
Just one simple sentence. That is the first step.
That is how you stop translating in your head. That is how you start thinking in English.
Take your time. Keep practicing. You are doing a really great job, and your English gets better every single day.
If you like our channel,